8 course. I want good free content. And what's worse, take a look at this number 10, data science from 2015. You're telling me Jupyter Notebooks hasn't changed? And if you scroll down, you basically get these infinite lists. But when you come over to Python links.info, it's a catalog of Python videos, 635 videos from the best conferences around the world, organized as a tree of categories where each one is ranked by upvotes versus downvotes, versus total votes. Here you can see the top 10, and here when you scroll down, well, it's a tree of categories. A basic principle in human factors is no more than 7 items in a category. So we scroll down, we have, sorry, that's the second one. Scroll down, we have machine learning category, data science category, parallelism, multi-threading, multi-processing, distributed systems, Python in the community and in the organization, Python skills development, Python software. Well, wait, skip that for a second. Okay, so we can go back up to the root, and it's a tree, right? So each of this has 4 further subcategories. You can find the videos from the best conferences that you like, and you can, get into the particular subject you want. So let's actually take a look at this first one. This is from a buddy of mine who's a charming, let's see, where we go, on pandas. We'll jump right in. This is from a charming man who does the pandas meetups over there. And you can see if you scroll left and right, this works well on cell phones, you can see the 8 different pandas talks that are currently registered. We can go up, and we can see the whole category on pandas. Here we're looking at the best in any node in the tree. We can also switch and look at the list view. And when you look at the list view, you're just seeing not the best in that branch, but you're just seeing in that particular node what's there. And you can see the subcategories, the sub-videos. As you get closer to the root, you get just categories, but typically by the time you get to the root, it's just categories. So let me pass out some business cards before I pass these around. I do have GDPR permissions. I'm probably not going to add the from here because the quality of the audio is not that good, but I'm going to add the if you're a speaker at PyCon Check, I've already got PyCon Check in here, and I've got the GDPR permission not allowed to use your name without your permission, so I'll pass those around. It's very important. Okay, so you can. Okay, let's go look at one of these talks. Okay. Conferences and videos. Here you can see all the different conferences. We can go to PyCon USA. You can see the best ones at PyCon USA. You can do a search. You can do a search and you'll see you can search for something else. You may want to search for PyCon Check, for example. And here you can see the 10 best. They get about 4 votes. Is that time up? Or?
No.
So vote. Please log in. Vote for PyCon Check. If you want to, you can log in. It's very easy. There's a subscribe. Go to Google. Choose who you are. It'll ask you again for your GDPR permission. And go on. Who knows why this number? Okay. What else? Oh, the other thing people ask about is pyvideo.org. PyVideo is awesome. They started off when stuff was all over the place. By 2016, they were up to 192 annual conferences. But last year was less, and this year they've only covered 7 conferences. And worse yet, so you can see the conferences, you can see the keywords. And what am I going to do? Read through all of these keywords? And even if you go into one of the topics, let's see here. Sorry, that's not the one I want. Even if you go into, sorry, these are the keywords. Come on. Even if you go into one of the keywords, there's a whole bunch of talks, and you don't know which are the good ones because they don't have upvotes versus downvotes. So check out pythonlinks.info. Vote, subscribe. 30 seconds. And any questions? Thank you.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Do you have any license information, whether it's Creative Commons or not? Whether there's an alternative source so I can deal with that ads if I don't want to watch YouTube ads while I'm doing the talk, for example?
So unfortunately, everybody is on YouTube. The only person who's not on, the only conference that's not on YouTube is DjangoCon from Germany. And if you want to help get that out, and actually. But everybody's on YouTube. It's a huge problem. You could go to Monopoly, even PyCon Check. So I'm encouraging groups not to be on YouTube, right? Because It would be great without ads, right?
I don't think that it's such a problem to be on YouTube, but to at least have it under the Creative Commons license so it can be somewhere else as well.
Yeah, so JangoCon Germany, the Germans are really good about that. I don't talk to Python Czech.